Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel Cloud Arena. I am your friend Sanjay Kumar Verma. So today we will discuss about of S3 versioning. So we have already discussed in our earlier session about of S3, what is S3, why we use of S3. So in this session we will learn what is S3 versioning. So you can see this is my Amazon dashboard. So now you can see this is the service inside of storage category. Then now we will try to understand what is S3 versioning. So S3 is a version control like as Git or SVN control, Git control. So if someone delete the file, avoid these things, use of versioning. Let's see how it will work. Then first of all we will click S3. Then we will make a bucket. Now you can see it's under process. Click on create bucket, then assign a name of your bucket. Name should be unique in entire AWS because S3 support of flat file system. I am assigning Cloud Arena. India. It's my bucket name, and I have already shared this is a region based service, not a file based service. Then click next, and then now you will click this option, then versioning will be enabled. Click and then next. I will tell you what is the benefit of versioning. Access, I acknowledge, next, create bucket. You have seen bucket is created. When versioning is enabled, then how it will help me? Suppose this is a shared bucket of all are using bucket to share the data. Now the file is uploaded by any user. If someone access it and add some line in the file and upload, look, I am going to upload a file. Then click this bucket and click on upload and click on add files, and I want to upload a file on my desktop. My file name is Sanjay1. Then click open and then click next and assign grant public access, yes. Next, assign the storage class because it's automatically by default select of standard because they AWS understand you want to frequently access of this data. Then next and upload. You are seeing my object has uploaded. Then now what will happen if someone again uploading of this file with same name and with same content or different content? Now you can see I am going to upload this file with same name. You can see upload, add files, which is my one more file but with same name, Sanjay1. Then open, next, 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 and you can see I have uploaded two files, but right now you can see only one file is available inside. Okay, but my dear friends, you should remember I have enabled the versioning of this bucket. Then click on show. Then you can see there are two files available. One is latest, another is old. So like this, S3 control of versioning. So it will show you two files. So I am able to charge to keep it two variants. The advantage of this, if something goes wrong with my second file, I can restore of my file, first file anytime. So if someone try to delete the file, select file, look, I am going to delete of this file and click action and you will can see delete. I am going to delete of this file. Then now after some time you will see When now I will click on show, then you will see latest and delete marker is available on my file. Delete marker, it means mark for deleting but not yet delete. So there are a way or chance you do recover of a file which is deleted by accidentally. My this object is now able to access, then I will assign the permission of my this object like this. Click permission and click everyone. This file has already permission, so no need to assign of this. Then go back, then select my one more file and click on permissions. Then now for everyone and read object, then save the settings, and then now my this object is able to access for everyone. Then you can see, hello everyone, I hope you are well. So now, so if I have a team, so my every team member can add sometimes in files, entire new object will be created. So guys, yes, obviously it will adding my cost, but I have a good benefit, redundancy. If in any case I have deleted the file, then I can recover with the help of S3 versioning. When versioning is enabled, then you can't disable. After that, if you want to disable the versioning, then you should delete your bucket and terminate your bucket. So this is a small lab of S3 versioning. So enjoy it. So it's good day. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.